Where? This guy is fucked. Man, hey. Hey, you got time to roll out between wheels.
Huh?
You got time to roll out between wheels. Chuck that to me. Now, chuck it to me. Next one, not that one. No. All right, now. Hurry up, man. Oh my fuck, dude.